Kumusta ang mga repa? Sa video na ito ay bibigay ko sa inyo ang kumpletong listahan ng mga presyo mula sa paborito mong mga Yamaha motorcycle as of April 2025. Mula sa pinaka-high-end na model hanggang sa pinaka-abot kayang motor na mula sa Yamaha na mabibili mo sa mga dealership dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya tara repa at ilarga na natin ito, alright! Disclaimer, ang mga presyo na inyong makikita ay pawang guide lamang para sa mga mamimili. Maaaring mag-iba ang mga presyo without prior notice at nakadepende na rin kung anong year model, variant ng sasakyan at kung saang dealership kayo pupunta. Maraming salamat, Repa.
Yamaha YZF R1M 1,689,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 337,800 pesos. Monthly payment 28,975 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha MT-10 SP 1,099,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 219,800 pesos, monthly payment 18,853 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Super Tenere ES 999,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 199,800 pesos, monthly payment 17,138 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Tracer 9 GT 929,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 185,800 pesos, monthly payment 15,937 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha T-Max TechMax 849,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 169,800 pesos, monthly payment 14,565 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha T-Max 779,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 155,800 pesos, monthly payment 13,364 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha XSR 900 729,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 145,800 pesos, monthly payment 12,506 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Tenere 700 669,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 133,800 pesos, monthly payment 11,477 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha MT-09 659,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 131,800 pesos, monthly payment 11,305 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Bolt R Spec 619,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 123,800 pesos, monthly payment 10,619 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha YZF R7 597,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 119,400 pesos, monthly payment 10,241 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha XSR 700 539,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 107,800 pesos, monthly payment 9,246 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha MT-07 499,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 99,800 pesos, monthly payment 8,560 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha SR 400 329,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 65,800 pesos, monthly payment 5,644 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha X Max 306,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 61,200 pesos, monthly payment 5,249 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha YZF-R3 290,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 58,000 pesos, monthly payment 4,975 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha MT-03 285,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 57,000 pesos, monthly payment 4,889 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Sero 240,500 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 48,100 pesos, monthly payment 4,125 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha YZF-R15M 203,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 40,600 pesos, monthly payment 3,482 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha XSR155 182,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 36,400 pesos, monthly payment 3,122 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha WR155R 180,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 36,000 pesos, monthly payment 3,087 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha MT-15 178,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 35,600 pesos, monthly payment 3,053 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha NMAX TechMax 175,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Yamaha NMAX Standard 155,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 31,200 pesos, monthly payment 2,674 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Sniper 155R 145,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Yamaha Sniper 155 Standard 125,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 25,200 pesos, monthly payment 2,159 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Aerox 155S, ABS 145,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Yamaha Aerox 155 Standard 124,000 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 24,800 pesos, monthly payment 2,127 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha PG1 96,400 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 19,300 pesos, monthly payment 1,653 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Mio Fazio 93,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 18,800 pesos, monthly payment 1,610 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Mio Gravis 92,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 18,600 pesos, monthly payment 1,593 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha XTZ125 89,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 18,000 pesos, monthly payment 1,541 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Mio Soul I125S 83,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Yamaha Mio Soul I-125. 79,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 16,000 pesos, monthly payment 1,370 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Mio Gear S. 82,400 pesos, suggested retail price. Yamaha Mio Gear Standard. 79,400 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 15,900 pesos, monthly payment 1,361 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Mio I-125S. 80,400 pesos, suggested retail price. Yamaha Mio I-125 Standard. 77,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 15,600 pesos, monthly payment 1,335 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha Mio Sporty. 73,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 14,800 pesos, monthly payment 1,267 pesos for 60 months. Yamaha YTX 125. 57,900 pesos, suggested retail price. Down payment 11,600 pesos, monthly payment 992 pesos for 60 months.
Yan na nga repa, ang updated na Yamaha motorcycle price list as of April 2025. Meron ka na bang pinag-iipunan na gusto mong mabiling motor na mula sa Yamaha repa? Push mo lang yan at balang araw may lalabas at masasakyan mo na rin ang dream bike mo repa or ride. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa susunod na video. Peace yo! Bago tayo magtapos, ito po muna ang inyong lingkod at nagpapaalala ng huwag pong mainit ang ulo sa daan para tayo ay makarating ng ligtas sa ating patutunguhan. Mga repa, ride safe everyone!